Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going through all of the kits and sticker sheets that I'm going to be using in the month of August, and I have lots of variety here. Some of these are just so beautiful and some are super fun, so let's get into it. I'm going to split them up between my memory planner and my plum paper vertical priorities. So let's start with my journaling sheets. So the first week I'm going to be using these two sheets from Lexi Kylie Designs called Zest. These are so pretty. I was worried that these were not going to match the color of the month, which is a turquoise color, but all of these are going to work fine, I think. These are so pretty. I'm really excited to use this. Definitely giving me like end of summer vibes here. So beautiful. I love her journaling kits. They're just so easy to work with for me. Next is Jessica Hart's. She has gone into the journaling kit realm and I'm so excited. This was the first kit that she released. She sent this to me early and I just love it so much. It's beautiful. The colors are so pretty and there's so much variety here to work with. I like that she has different lengths or widths of little strips here. I think that's going to be really nice to work with. You've also got the torn pieces, some quotes. I think a lot of kits or journaling kits are missing a quote, which I love. And then you have lots of decorative pieces. And none of them are too large, which I love. Like, she definitely put a lot of thought into this. And I'm really excited to try it out. Then I have these for the first full week of school. These are from Caitlin Plans. They're so cute. Really excited to use these. I think it's going to be really fun. And I'm just going to bring in these colors and just go crazy. I think it's going to be adorable. Then I have this journaling kit from my newest addiction. This is on transparent matte, which will be new to me, but I think it's going to be really fun to work with. You have, again, lots of variety. I love that. Lots of pretty decorative pieces that could be used in lots of different places and just really beautiful. So excited to try out her format. And then let's go to my memory planner. Oh, I love these kits so much. They're so fun and beautiful. For my monthly, which I do highlights for my monthlies, and I love Jessica Hart's kits for that. This is called Ethereal, and it's just so different and really beautiful. I love the black accents. I think it's going to look really cool. So here are the covers that go across the top of the spread. Some numbers, and then these cover the days that are not in the month. Tons of labels. Oh, I love the back to school sticker. Sidebar, which is so pretty. She labels these to help you line them up correctly. Even more labels and some icons and some full boxes and vacation strips. So pretty. This is very different from pretty much everything that was out there, and that's why I kind of gravitated toward this one. So excited to use that. Then let's get into my weekly kits. This is Storyteller's Cafe from Caress Press. This kit is so cute and very pink, but I think it's going to look really beautiful. It is kind of a transition into fall. August is not necessarily the fall, but whenever I go back to school, I always just kind of fall into it being fall. I don't know. It just feels like fall when we go back to school. So here are some extra boxes. I really like this scene. I want to use that. Then the full boxes. I love this book stack. Really pretty color combo and cute patterns. Her mini kit format is perfection to me. I just love it. Bottom washi and some cute deco. Really adorable kit. I'm kind of thinking I might want to do this one later. Maybe like this one first and then this one, but then I'd have two Caress Press kits back to back. I don't know. I'll decide. I kind of decide on the order and then just go with whatever I'm feeling. So that is Storyteller's Cafe. Then I have this gorgeous kit from Amy Tangerine. It is so pretty. This was a collab with the Sticker Party and Amy Tangerine, and she chose all of the colors and she made all the patterns and the quotes. This is just so fun. Really excited to use this. So we've got 8 full boxes, which I think I want to put them like across the middle of the spread but I haven't really decided what I want to do exactly. Here's the bottom washi, which is so pretty. Get some functional deco, tons of headers and date covers, little flags too, and then glitter headers, more boxes. I really like this box. So this is going to be a really, really fun spread. And I kind of like that this is the week before school starts, so that's kind of cute. Then I have my back to school kit, which is called Back to School from Caress Press. This is very bright, very fun. I'm really excited to use this one. It is more elementary school themed, so I don't think I'll use this box because it's definitely like elementary school themed, but I love all the rest of them. Really cute. So bright. Really fun patterns. I really like this extra box, and the bottom washi is so fun. And the deco, I have to use that across the top of the spread. So cute. And then the extra boxes are fun too. So I might want to try this one or this one maybe. Cute. So that is Back to School from Caress Press. The last kit that I'm going to be using in August is called Golden. It's so, so pretty. I'm kind of like having a moment with Letters to Apollo kits. I just keep ordering them because they're just so pretty. I love this one. And this one definitely gives me like end of summer, which is what I kind of like to do in August. It's usually back to school and end of summer kits. So pretty. I'm just like so in love with this kit. I love sunflowers too. They're so like happy and fun. Tons of boxes, which is nice. And then the bottom washi is so pretty with the little simple strip. Tons of header options. So, so pretty. All right, so that's Golden from Letters to Apollo, and that is it. I like to make these nice and quick so you can see what I'm going to be using in the month and then get on with your day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I will see you next time. Bye!